You don't have to go to a Korean restaurant to eat cheese spicy rice cakes. Look at the stringiness of this one. It's really delicious. First, chop the onion into pieces. Chop the onion and set aside. Cut the fish cake in half diagonally. Boil a pot of water. Put the rice cake in and cook until it floats up. Let's make a sauce. Put soy sauce, chili powder, tomato sauce, an appropriate amount of water in the hot sauce, and stir well to prevent lumps. Now we start to stir fry. Put oil in the pan. When the oil is hot, put onions first. After the onions are slightly yellow, put fish cakes. Then add rice cakes and stir fry for a while. Then, you can put the sauce you just prepared in. Stir fry evenly. Cover the pot and simmer for a while. At this time, the things in the pot have become very fragrant. After cooking for 3 minutes, add cheese as much as you like. Cover the pot and simmer for 1 minute. Finally, add white sesame seeds and the dish is complete. If you like it,